Hey everybody, David and David here from Payette and upphone.com, and in this video we are going to show you how to clean and disinfect your iPad.
And things have changed since the coronavirus. Apple recently updated their website. It now says, is it okay to use a disinfectant on my Apple product? Using a 70% isopropyl alcohol wipe or Clorox disinfecting wipes, you may gently wipe the hard, non-porous surfaces of your Apple product, such as the display, keyboard, or other exterior surfaces. Don't use bleach. Avoid getting moisture in any opening, and don't submerge your Apple product in any cleaning agents. Don't use on fabric or leather surfaces. So, in fact, this is a leather smart cover. So I'm going to take off the smart cover, and the first thing we need to do before we clean it is unplug it if it's plugged in, obviously, and also turn it off. So I'm just going to press and hold the power button, and then slide to power off.
All right, great. So the first thing we actually want to talk about is the ports. Cleaning out the ports. A lot of people don't do this, and stuff can get gunked up in there, and you can trick your iPad thinking it's stuck in headphones mode, might not charge. So grab a anti-static brush, or if you don't have one of those, brand new toothbrush, and just dig around in these ports, try to get anything out of there. Shake it out. Headphone jack on these older iPads. I don't know if the newer iPads have
headphone jacks?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think they do.
Dig around in there. Step one, pretty easy. Clean those out. But you're here to learn how to disinfect your iPad because of the virus going around, and let's talk about that.
Sure. The most important thing to understand with a phone or an iPad is that there's something called an oleophobic coating on the front of your iPad. And that is what is the fingerprint-resistant coating. Oleophobic, oil, afraid in Greek. So if you use the wrong solution or the wrong product, you can wipe it right off, and once it's gone, you can't get it back, and it's not covered under warranty because technically it's screen damage if you wipe it off. So there are a bunch of things that Apple says not to use on your iPad. So let's look at those. It says, do not use window cleaners, household cleaners, compressed air, aerosol sprays, solvents, ammonia, abrasives, or cleaners containing hydrogen peroxide. They do say we can use this Lysol with the active ingredient alkyl dimethyl benzyl ammonium chloride.
What the hell does that mean?
Or these alcohol prep pads with 70% isopropyl alcohol.
Yeah, you can pick those up at Walmart for a couple bucks. Good deal.
Yeah, you might actually be able to find these in the store. So I'm just gonna take one of these out. And since Apple says it's safe, I'm actually gonna use it on the front of my iPad. I've never done this before. But they do use alcohol wipes at Apple stores at the end of every shift. Just to look at that. If you haven't watched our video yet about how to clean your iPhone or other cell phone or how to clean your Mac, we'll drop a couple of links.
Yeah, put those in the description section, AirPods as well.
Right.
It's a good idea to clean all your devices, especially right now. People usually forget to clean those, and now's as good a time as ever. One thing to keep in mind is that if you do opt for the Clorox or the Lysol, they say it takes about 2 minutes to kill the coronavirus, so you gotta let your iPad sit with, just leave it alone for a couple minutes, and then
we should be good to go.
Move on to our final step.
Yep, final step, wipe it off.
Wipe it off. Nice
soft, lint-free cloth.
Microfiber cloth. You can pick these up in the auto section of your Walmart or Target. And we waited 2 minutes. So
we did.
Yeah.
That was a solid 2 minutes.
That was a solid, yeah.
Look at that.
Looking good.
Looking good. So we can't use any of these sprays on the case, but I'll still wipe it off.
Yeah, especially if your screen has been touching one side of that case forever. Same germs might be on there. We've had a big technology cleaning day, and now all of our stuff is looking brand new.
Squeaky clean. Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, then once the cleaning products dry off, feel free to turn it back on, and
you're good to go.
All set. That is how to clean your iPad. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below with any other questions, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great videos about Apple products.